Hi, what's up guys? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. From my last vlog, I got multiple DMs from you guys asking me for what type of riding gear I'm using for my touring and as well as city commuting. Today I'm going to show my riding gears to you and explain what all are those, what is the CE level, what is the safety standards of those things which I'm using. Let's get started.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
So this is the basic gear which I use for my daily commute as well as for my breakfast rides and long touring. So starting with my riding jacket. This is the jacket which I use for almost all of my rides. So this one what you are seeing here is Aspida Nemesis Prime Series jacket which costed me around 8,000. This is a level 2 certified jacket which has a level 2 armor where you can see the armor near this shoulder, elbow, here also same shoulder and elbow and back. And this will come along with the two set of liners. One is for winter, this one is for winter, as you can see here it is written Aspida, and one more is the rain liner. As it is a rainy season, as of now I kept this on my jacket. This is the one. And coming to the certification level, as you guys can see here it is written CE. CE means Comfy European. This is the European standard. And this symbol here, a person on a cycle, indicates this is meant for riding. And this 2 indicates it's level 2. This T plus and T minus indicates that it can survive till minus 10 degrees to plus 40 degrees. And here you can see the European standards over here. This jacket is built on the European standard of 2012 and 2014. This is all about my riding jacket. Now we will move to my riding gloves. These two sets are my riding gloves. One I use for my weekend rides and long touring, which is this Rhinox GT Air 3 gloves. Trust me, this is very protective and it is built up of TPU soft casing over it. It will actually take a good impact on it, and it is having a semi leather kind of thing. This is very soft and usable, and even this fingertips are meant to be screen friendly. That means you can easily access your mobile screen while you are riding for checking out the maps or picking up some call or anything. Especially this index fingers on both of them, you can use it for controlling your mobile. These are again level 2, and this is level 1 Skoiko, which I use for regular daily commutes. Sometimes I won't even use it. Basically this level 1, whatever I am saying about that level 1 or level 2. Level 1 is basically meant for use within the city limits and within the city limit speeds. But when it comes to level 2, this we will use for high speed cruising, long rides and all, because the protection level is more. This is all about my jacket and now my gloves. Coming to my shoes, these are non-branded shoes, but trust me, this really serves the purpose of it. It got a steel toe in front of it. I'm using the shoes for almost 2 years now, and you can see the condition of it. It is still so stable. It took a very hard beating here and there, but still it survived, and it can last up to another 1 year as well. This is about my shoes, and this is about my camouflage riding pants, which I use for almost for every ride. This has a very tough material. It is built up of a very tough material. So even if you take a severe fall also, nothing will happen to your knees or your leg anywhere. Coming to my helmets, as you can see from my previous video, I told I am using two helmets. One is for my city commute, one is for my touring. So both this SMK and Axor, both of them are DOT and EC certified. Again, these are the European standards. So it's not like the ISI. These are like the European standards which can protect you when you take a severe fall from high speeds. Means if you are cruising at 120 and if you take a fall, still you can get out without any scratch on your face or anything. This can take up to that much. It won't be suitable if you are cruising beyond that much of speeds, because you should go to the next level. This is all about my riding gears. So that was all about my riding gears. Hope you liked that video. I request you to please share, like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you everyone. See you in the next vlog. Signing off.